My people are suffering, Mama, Mama, Mama. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Halema. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Aye, mama. Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. Now you have it, can you tell me what you gained? Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. Now you have it, can you tell me what you gained? Mama, 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 Mama. What manner of a prince are you? Oh, tell me. You are so wicked, so heartless. Oh,
Standing in my path. Leave at once. I said, what?
He is a wicked prince, a tyrant. He is a wicked prince, a tyrant. He's a wicked prince, a tyrant.
When you fail to listen to the voice of the Spirit, when I dance the dance of the Spirit.
You again! Move. This is my path to trend. Move! Move!
He is a wicked prince.
voice of the spirit. When I dance the dance of the spirit, Magazuru gonna reap whatever you sow. When you fail to listen to the voice of the spirit, gonna dance the dance of the spirit. Magazuru you wanna reap whatever you sow.
Why are you always blocking my path? Who are you, child? Huh? How much do you want to be paid? Before I stop seeing your ugly face.
Hey! Who set an anti-infested firewood? Invite lizard for a feast in his hut.
Is that supposed to be a truth? Am I supposed to be afraid of you? Ah! Come back here! I said, come back here! I promise you, if I see you again, I will kill you!
자문하네야 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 이세레노 이세레니요 세레니요 세레니요 이세레니요 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 kakib nsorambo kakib nsaraba selele bo paile tai kujali le ko kujali le ko kujali wene kak isemare bo me isemare koren isemare koren isemare isukakam kerem The great people of Mulanga. Yes, before the gods of our land. Mulanga people. We all know what are doing. We all know what are doing. The town is in peace. One piece in Mulanga. One piece in Mulanga. Everybody one piece. And peace we want. What working you? What working our peace are going to here. One piece. Every evil thing that come to Mulanga will die. I want progress in Mulanga. I want peace in Mulanga. All the sons and daughters of Mulanga, outside Mulanga, I pray for progress. I pray for love. I pray for wealth. You all shall come back and fix the land of Mulanga. Get your wealth there, bring it down to Mulanga. Isana ka to watikate moti atwatin. Wanja to watin chekombe. Isegero. Sele party le tsikopaya. Sele kopati esinoke. Wait a megara. I greet you. Give me gong. Give me gong. Give me gong. Give me gong. Selpatia. 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 Thank you, the great God of Mulanga. Enough yam here to share to my people. Can't keep this alone. Can't keep this alone. Dad.
Yes, my king.
Go and tell my minister that I want to see him.
Immediately, my king.
Good. Please. I mean, when he comes, we will know how many huts we are going to share this yam. I have enough. Please, I'll keep this side for myself. Then, all these ones will go to the huts, the less privileged in this community. My elders.
My king.
I want to thank you people for making the festival a success. You see, without your efforts, I don't think the festival will go the way it is. And I pray that next festival will be better than this year's festival.
Yeah, long live the king.
Long live Havana.
My king, we wouldn't have done this without you. Your generosity towards us was so nice. You're a nice man.
Thank you.
You're a nice king.
Thank you.
I will keep appreciating you.
Oh, yes.
Greetings, Your Highness.
I came with this gift as a token of my appreciation during the festival. I want to appreciate all that you have been doing for us. I appreciate all your generosity over us. Thank you so much.
I'm humble. But you shouldn't have brought this gift for me. Eh? Your happiness is the only gift I need. However, I will not be happy if I don't show you my generosity. God, go inside there and get me a basket of 2 bags of yam.
Okay, my king.
My friend, Ombia is such a nice person to have come to thank you with this.
Yes.
Despite you don't have any.
Yes, but I don't show this.
Long live the king. That's such a good man.
Woman, take this as a token of appreciation. With this gift you brought for me, go take it home, enjoy with your family and your loved ones.
Thank you, my king.
But this is...
I know, just take it.
Thank you, my king.
Enjoy with your loved ones.
Thank you. May the gods bless you.
And may the God bless you and your family. God, help our home.
My king, may the gods bless you.
Thank you. May you be blessed too.
Thank you, my king.
May you be blessed, you and your family.
Thank you.
Long live the king. Long live the
My
king.
elders, I appreciate all of you. I appreciate
So, I don't even know why Kamiru is not here yet.
Yes, I think he sent somebody to me. He said he'll be going to see his in-law. Yes, something came up. So please, let's just pray that it's not something bad.
My king! Hey!
I don't know if yeah, my minister,
My king.
so how was your in-law and how is he feeling?
Well, as of the last time I'm with them, she is feeling better, strong than before.
Okay, all right, thank God. You see, yesterday, people from this community and other people from our neighboring communities, they all came here yesterday with different gifts in appreciation of what I have been doing for this great community.
My king,
Yes.
that's so thoughtful of them.
Yes.
They appreciate the good and the effort you have been putting.
Yes. You see, it is not only me. Without you people around me, I don't think I can succeed. You've been a loyal minister and other elders. Without you people, I won't succeed. So I want to thank all of you for your efforts too. Even yesterday, some of the elders that attended the meeting, they all left with enough gifts. But I told my guards that the minister should not be left out. So before you go, they are going to arrange some yam from the banks.
Thank you, my king. I quite appreciate your effort and the way you are pushing us through this community. May our gods always be with you.
You know the festival will soon be coming up again. I want you to arrange the name of the widows in this community, the less privileged, and the other people who are going to give out gifts on that day. So I want you to arrange them so that it will be easier for you to plan it well.
Thank you, my king. Thank you for this trust you have put in me. And I will do as you instructed. Everything will be put in place before that day.
My minister, where is where is the guard so that he can go and arrange the bands? Guard!
Mama, aye, mama, aye, mama.
Iruru, we are back home. We are back home.
Mama, mama, aye, 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 mama, aye,
Queen, my princess.
Your Majesty.
Oh, my princess. My queen, my joy, my heart. I am blessed seeing the both of you walk into my throne room. Yes, like a sun that shines in the sky. My queen, you are a shining star. A star that shines in the night.
Your Majesty. Your words always lift our spirits. You make us feel like we are the heart of this kingdom, as we are the heart of our family.
Father, you make us feel like the world's best people. You're the best person anyone could ever ask. Best.
See, the both of you are my life.
Welcome to my heart. Welcome to my kingdom.
Amy, you make us proud to stand beside you. Proud to be part of this family. Not proud to be part of this kingdom. You always inspire us to be the best version of ourselves.
Father, it's not just the kingdom we are conquering, but our heart. You make us feel so powerful.
I want you to do something for me. I want you to kill my father so that I can be the next king of this kingdom. And I shall call you Iruru.
Your heartbeat encourages the women of this kingdom. You should have love, compassion. I will always be happy. You will be by my side. So, what have you prepared for the king to eat today?
And I will give you anything at all you desire. If you make me king.
Your wish is granted. The king, your father, will die, and you will take over the power. But you will be crowned king within 24 hours after the death of your father king. If not, you will shut down. And there is a price to pay after this. Yes. You must give me guts to satisfy my father.
Iruru, your wish is my command. Thank you once again.
Power always come the cost of life. Remember that.
Where is your other guy?
Queen sent him on an errand.
Okay. It's okay. Kala the Great. You're welcome. Kala the Great One, you're welcome. Have your seat so I can offer you cola.
No, my king. Where is your son? Where is the prince?
Oh, the prince should be in his hut.
Iruru, I bring forth your sacrifice. Accept my gift. Accept my sacrifice to you. Iruru.
Hope there's no problem.
Your Highness, I see danger. I see darkness roving around our kingdom. Your Highness, call the members of your family in order. If any of them brings in ant-infested firewood in this kingdom, it will bring danger in your hut and the entire community.
Ikala, I don't understand your message.
Iruru. You are my God. Thank you. Thank you for accepting my sacrifice.
Ant-infested firewood. Who is going to bring it? And how will I avert such danger? Because I don't want anything to happen in my hut and the entire community. I don't want them to suffer.
Your Highness, I am only a messenger to the gods. I say what they asked him to say. Your Highness, call the members of your family in order. I shall take my leave. Long live Your Majesty.
Thank you, Ikala.
Now I have given power. It's time to make me, not. Everyone in this kingdom must wash me. Everyone in this community must pay homage to me. because I am.
Agreed, Eruru. I will do as you have instructed. Thank you. Thank you.
So what is it?
Father. I will be the king now. Thank you, Eruru.
Princess.
Greetings, mother.
Greetings. Please, go ask the guys to call Camilo for me, please.
Oh, okay, mother.
Please.
Monefe should be crowned the next king now.
My prince, I quite understand your plight. But we have tradition, and our tradition must be followed. A new king must emerge until 14 days, when we must have round up the king's burial.
Exactly.
And the prince must be married too.
My father is dead. I don't need any tradition to tell me about my right. It is my right to be king, and I will be crowned king now.
That's of our land. Do not listen to him. I say, do not listen to him. Prince Monefe. Yes, you are the heir to your father's throne. But you have to wait for the due process. Wait! Or what?
You will face my wrath.
Better.
It is time for me to be king.
That can be. We have tradition. Our custom and tradition.
I don't care about your custom and tradition. I am the custom. I am the tradition. And the tradition must be changed. So crown me now.
Tradition cannot be changed.
Huh?
What is it?
Hey! Once again! When the canoe is drifting without paddling, the river shows no mercy. This has never happened in the history of our land. Please, come to our aid. Come and do something before we all perish. You can't believe this boy crowned himself. Crowned himself without reason. Wanting to put all of us in a shame and disgrace.
This is abomination. It is.
Never happened in the history of our land. We can never allow this. We cannot fold our arms and watch things go wrong. That's why we are here. Help us and do something fast.
Ikala, do something about this. We cannot allow this happen.
This is an abomination. Wise one, please do something fast.
A child that says his mother will not sleep. That child will not know peace. He wants to wrestle with the gods. He will dance the dance of the gods. I shall meet him at once.
What do I do now? What do I do?
A man who fights with his kinsmen and run away does not mean he's a weakling. He takes precaution from saving his life and that of his kinsmen, because killing him does not make him a hero.
Old fool. Why don't you speak plainly so that I can understand what you're saying? Huh? Does it mean that I will fail?
Are you saying that I will fail? Are you saying that I will fail? I am the king! I am the eldest! I am the king!
Monefe, this is not the way. This is not the way at all. You cannot rush this. Wait. From your actions, it seems you killed your father. You killed him to take over. I was thinking about this. I was asking what happened to him and how he died. Your father loved you so much and gave you everything. Why this? You see the nonsense you brought into this palace that is making you to act this way? I am going to burn it. I am going to burn it. I want my son back. Because this person that I am seeing is not my son.
I need my son back. I need my son back. I need him back.
Mother. My mother.
So why this? Why?
You just killed mother!
Come to your brother, please. Let us please come. Come back here!
I shall be king! I am king! Give more answer! The giver of life and the taker of life.
When you fail to listen to the voice of the Spirit, when I dance in the Spirit, Magazuru Kadabekuma, gonna reap whatever you sow. When you fail.
This is the way you find. Are you hungry?
Mama, stomach.
What's wrong with you?
My stomach.
Your stomach? What is wrong with you? Hey! What is wrong with my son? Somebody help me! Oh! Somebody help! Hey! Hey! Somebody help me! Who is there? Somebody help me! Hey! Wake up! What is it? What is it? Hey! Help! 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 Oh! Somebody help me! Hey! Somebody help me! Oh! Somebody help me! Oh! Somebody! What is wrong with you? Somebody help me! Oh! Help! Oh! Help! Help me! Oh! Hey! Help! Oh! Help me! Oh! Help me! Oh! Somebody help me! Help! Oh! Help! Hey! What is wrong with you now? You were just talking now. What is wrong with you? Hey! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Please help me. You were just sitting down here. The next thing he said his stomach. He's not talking, he's not moving. Please help me. Help me. Help me. Hey. Hey.
He has been poisoned.
By whom?
By your close friend.
How? How? How is that possible? Hey! Hey! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Hey! Oh! Hey! Wake up! He's alive. He's back. He's very. He's well. Thank you. Thank you. Stand up. Hey! 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 Because of our land. Because of our land. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am my son owes you owe you a lot. What is your name?
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Sit down. Hey!
My Vincent. What is it? Why does the river overflow its banks? Why does the moon hide under the cloud?
Everything is lost. My father is dead. And my brother. My brother is trying anything possible to take over the throne. He killed our own mother. I don't know what to do. What do I do?
My princess, a bird that sings before dawn. Do not chase the night away, but reminds the world that the sun will rise again. Do not let your sorrow make you blind to hope. My princess, when the storm rages, does the antelope run into the lion's den? No. And I want you to do the same.
Where can I go now? The palace is not my heart anymore.
My princess, a fallen tree does not lose its roots. Follow me.
What kind of dream is this? What is the meaning of this dream?
Younger. This is Princess Ogema. And her brother, the prince, killed the king and the queen.
What? Hey!
To listen to the voice of the spirit. Gonna dance the dance of the spirit. Makasuru gada the woman. You wanna read whatever you saw.
Everything is set. I have the powers to do whatever I want to do. Now I need people that will walk with me. I shall call Zulu and Ovie. They will do as I please. They will walk with me. This kingdom will see the rain of blood. Yororo. Thank you. Thank you. King Monefe. My reign will last forever. I want you to go in there and gather all those elders and bring them here. Use force if they try to prove stubborn.
Yes, my king! Yes, King Monefe! Your wish is my command.
Go now.
Let's go.
I shall rain blood on this land.
You
There is no place for you here anymore. Ururu. Ururu is here to stay.
He's a wicked king. He's a tyrant. So wicked and selfish. You're gonna reap what you sow.
Why are these young men coming to my hut? I need to hide before they see me.
He's a wicked king. He's a tyrant. So wicked and selfish.
I noticed a smart move. Boss Abana! Emperor wants to see you. The Almighty King wants to see you. And others. I know you can hear me from wherever you are. The next time I will return here to find you, consider yourself a dead man. Because I'll use your skull for my dinner. Ovie, let's go and look for those men.
He's a wicked prince, a tyrant.
What is wrong with our prince? Why does he want to make himself an emperor? I better go to the palace for my safety. Meanwhile, let me go and wear my royal tie.
How dare you barge into us like that? Does it mean you don't have respect for elders?
Can you imagine? Who is summoning for our presence, by the way?
The king. The emperor demands you were present at the palace. Now!
He is your king and not ours. By the way, we the elders are going for an important meeting to discuss how we will bury our late king.
Watch your tongue, old man! Now! Move!
Move to where?
We move to the palace! Hold this man! Do this man away from him! Let him stop away from him! Are you a normal? If you bring trouble, I will slaughter you! What is keeping them? How long will it take them to gather those elders and bring them here? I don't you to use force if they prove stubborn. Bow before my king! Bow! Zulu, Your Highness, what took you this long? Anyways, we'll wait for others to join us. with you! Sit on the floor! Sit on the floor! Sit. How dare you! Are you a madman? Sit on the floor! Is it only old age? Are you people mad too? Don't you ever in your wildest dream sit when I'm sitting? Like I said, we will wait for others to join us. At the meantime, relax.
Mama. My people are suffering. Mama, yeah. Mama, yeah. Oh, Mama. What shall it profit a man?
Absolute nobody born of a woman owns any farmland in my kingdom. All your farm produce now belongs to me. Because I'm a merciful king. I will give you what to eat and drink. However, I notice that your harvest has dropped from what it used to be when you were farmers. You know the consequences. You all are now farmers. No more elders in my kingdom. You all are farmers and my slaves. Now get out. Out from the palace! I said you should get out! Fools. Farmers! Slaves! I am the king! No one dares me and go scot-free! Not even your gods! I am the gods you see! I am Eruru! Half human, half spirit.
Can you just imagine this insult? What kind of nonsense is this? It's high time I ran out of this village.
For what? For that small boy of yesterday? I will never abandon my forefathers' land. Never! I agree with you. We cannot leave this kingdom. For what? Instead, we die here. Can you imagine? We are here planning on how to bury our late king, his father. And he's doing all of this.
Oh.
We will take that. I will never never run out of this land.
So what do we do? I have told you what I will do. I am going to run out of this village. I cannot continue receiving insult upon insult every day. In fact, in case you didn't see me, I am going to run out of this village. Enough is enough. What nonsense is this?
What do we do?
Yes. Now you have it, can you tell me what you gained? Because of the throne.
The great gods of the ancient, I come before you to offer my gratitude. The blood of the pure flows as you instructed, yet untouched as your decree forbids. And I come before you for you to reveal your new commandment.
From today, you will receive the badges and come here to hug me. That will be my food and your sacrifice. And that is how you new powers and be stronger.
From today onwards, visions are the people I shall lay with. And in return, I shall come with my embrace.
It is time for me to eat. Now go. Get fetch.
Thank you, Eru.
Long live King Monefe.
Long live my king.
Go into the community and get me 4 maidens. Beautiful maidens.
Your wish is always my command.
I don't care where you see them. Whether on the road or they're hot. Gather them all and bring them here.
With immediate effects. Ovie, let's go and get them young.
Let's go! Let's get them young!
What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Halema. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Mama. Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil.
On your knees! I want to ask you, lady, some questions. And all I need is nothing but the truth. And you know the consequences if you lie to a king.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Death. Are you a virgin?
Oh, Your Majesty.
Are you a virgin?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Are you a virgin?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Zulu, you are this. Look at my chimneys.
You are so wicked, so oh. Mama, why
That is the spirit.
Eru, the great gods of the ancient, I bring you my sacrifice, as you have instructed.
Thank you, Mother. As you feed me, so shall your power be. Thank you.
I shall bring you more virgins. Thank you. My father was a wicked. That is why he had nothing to his name. Just look at me. In a short period of time, I have acquired all this to myself. I am the king. What I say, they must do. All the lands are mine. All I have are farmers that will work for me. I will be the richest in the history of my kingdom. Even when I am no more, they will talk about me. They will talk about my wealth, my riches. I am not done.
He's a wicked prince, a tyrant.
How dare you! How dare you! You want to blow your life? Nabala, can't you notice the presence of the king? How dare you insult me, your king? Am I too small for you to notice me? Am I too small for you to notice me? Do you have in mind to walk when I'm passing? I can see you no longer value your life. Thank your gods that I am in a good mood.
May the gods destroy you. You will soon meet your end. Gods will destroy you. Wicked king. Nonsense.
He's a wicked prince, a tyrant.
When you fail to listen to the voice of the Spirit, when I dance the dance of the Spirit, my Gazuru better.
Greetings, my prince.
What did you call me again?
I said greetings, my prince.
The next time you address me as a friend, I will behead you. Sorry. Look at me. I'm your king. I'm your emperor. I am the giver of life and the taker of life. If you address me as such again,
I'm sorry, my king.
next time, when I'm walking, you stop wherever you are. Bow until I walk off.
My king.
Get out.
My king. Sorry, my king.
Whatever you sow, when you fail to listen to the voice of the Spirit, gonna dance the dance of the Spirit. Makasuru gada woman. You wanna read whatever you sow. He did it be.
Stop there.
Come back here.
Go back. Fast.
Thank your gods that you're still a child. The next time I am walking, you stand still until I walk off. Fool.
Don't move, or you lose your life.
Greetings, my king.
Ovie,
My king.
I don't like his face.
He's a wicked king. He's a tyrant. So wicked and selfish. You're gonna reap what you sow.
Who are you, little one?
This is my land. You want to spoil the peace we are enjoying in this kingdom? But I'll never allow you to do that.
Who's your father?
this evil, or you meet your doom.
Shut up! Who is your father?
Stop, or you meet your doom.
Shh! Shush!
That pride will be your downfall. You have something in its heart.
Sulu, Your Highness. Ovie, my lord. Who am I? You are King Zulu. You are the Emperor. You are the King. He who doesn't know you is dancing the dance of the spirits, the riders, the air, the fishes in the water. They are all singing your praise. I salute you, my king. My water is thicker than blood. Go into that village. Enter every hut. Kill any female child age of 7 to 10. Your wish is my command. I shall execute. Only.
Azumba. 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 Azumba.
Hey, you young man. How old are you?
I am 7 years.
Oh, she's 7. Come, I have a message for you. She is 7. Yes. You are the humble servant.
My people are suffering.
How old is your sister?
I hope there is no problem.
I may ask you a simple question. How old is your sister?
She's just 8 years old. Yes, please don't hold her. She's just 8 years old.
No, let me check something.
Eh? Please just don't let her.
Stop, please! Please leave my sister for me! Please, please have mercy!
What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. When you have it, can you tell me what you
Somebody help me!
Because
somebody help me!
You kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. Now you have it, can you tell me what you gained? Mama, mama, aye, lele mama, mama.
Woman, how old is your child?
7 years. Who are you?
If you move, I'll kill you.
I know what to do.
Prince Manasseh! I, Nambia, curse you! I curse you for killing my only sister! You took away my sister! I curse you! May the gods curse you! You shall meet your end, and your death will be a horrible one! You shall lose a piece in your life! You are so wicked! I curse you!
He who kills by the sword dies by the sword. If you don't stop this evil, you will meet your doom.
What kind of a child is this? Where did she even come from?
My people are suffering. Mama, yeah.
My princess, I know you're worried. So much has happened. This kingdom is falling apart. And you're just here, sitting and doing nothing. I know you want to make things better and bury your mother and father. But don't leave this kingdom until everything is better.
But when will everything be better? I want my father and my mother buried. They are being ridiculed.
Listen to me. If you must win, you have to lose. You can never know the winner until the battle is over.
Oh, mama, can't you feel our pain? Can't you hear our cry? Can't you see what we are going through? All because of you. Can't you?
Now we are like children who are lost. We don't know which direction to go. Since Ikala the Great is no more or anywhere to be found, according to his last words, everything is in the hands of the gods. Monefe, gods of our land, where should we run to?
This is not life. This is death. Every day more executions. I don't want to die. I must live because I want to stay alive. Every day more executions.
Governor! Going somewhere, right?
Zulu, okay. No. I mean, I'm going to see my son's wife and the children. Please, I don't want trouble, please.
Go where? Now, listen to me, old man. No one stepped out only by the king's order.
Your king is a monster. Every day more executions. Another family destroyed. Can't you see you serve monster himself?
Enough! Enough! Oh, we're still standing.
So this is the reason why you refuse to bring your farm products, right? Hold him there!
Yeah!
Let's move it! Put me down! Go to the palace again!
Keep quiet!
Help me! Don't you know I'm a titled man?
I know you are
Help me!
king! God, our king! Have the greater plan!
Help me!
Our
Put me
king!
down!
Have the greater plan for you!
Help me!
Our king! Have the greater plan for you!
My people are so
Our king! Have the better plans for you!
I said put me down! I'm an elder! Don't put me down!
Listen! I say you kneel down! Your Majesty, he attempted to escape and we caught him!
fit a man to gain the world, and after that lose his soul. Halima. What shall it profit a man to gain?
I'm ashamed of you. You are a titled man in my kingdom. You are my father's right-hand man. How come you are not seen running away from my kingdom? By the way, I was looking out for you to bring your farm produce.
My king, nothing came out of my farm. The land has stopped yielding. It is no longer fruitful. I think the gods are against us.
Shut up! Shut your mouth! How dare you? How dare you, Kabbalah? You know what? I am a monster. A blood-sucking demon. But I don't have any use for your blood. You, Your Highness, is now a slave. Lock him up! Now stand up, Onya! Up! Move it! Lock him up!
Just a weakling. He refused to join hands with me to stop Monefe. I will go and meet Abani and see what happened. Ed Alban, it's time to bring Monefe down. Our people are suffering.
Yes.
I can't do this all alone. I need you by my side.
You need me by your side? Of course! I will stand by you. Our people are afraid of him and they can't speak out. I will stand by you.
Together we'll bring Monefe down.
Yes, we will bring Monefe down. Even if it will cost my blood. I will do everything and anything to stand by you to free our people. So, how do we start?
When you fail to listen to the voice of the Spirit, when I dance the dance of the Spirit,
I wish to accord you all the respect. But that would be an abomination unto me and my land. Following the stories of happenings in this kingdom.
Why exactly are you in my land?
I am here to remind and to call you to order. A shepherd who kills his sheep because he needs their meat will mourn the sheep. Your father it's supposed to have been buried.
Isa, you left your kingdom to come to my kingdom to tell me how to run my affairs. You!
Whatever you saw, when you fail to listen to the voice of the spirit, gonna dance the dance of the spirit.
What should I do with you, Your Highness?
What are you doing?
You wanna read whatever you saw.
This way! No! Bring it to me!
Come here! Come on, Aisha! My majesty! Go down! For my majesty! Go!
Go to your kingdom and tell your people that they have a new king. King Monefe. Your land is now mine. Now get out. We are going to conquer so many kingdoms.
My people are suffering. Mama, yeah. Mama, yeah. Oh, Mama. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Halema. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Aye, mama. Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. Now you have it, can you tell me what you gained? Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. Now you have it, can you tell me what you gained?
Asian, the time has come.
Time for what?
Your destiny awaits you. But you cannot defeat Monefe as you are. You must journey to the forest of the dead. There you will receive the weapon to strip him of his dark powers.
Then I will go.
What manner of a prince are you? Oh, tell me.
My beloved Emperor.
So heartless.
From today onwards, I and my kingdom have no use for you anymore. You are banished from this land. If I see you again, it will be the last day you will see a human being. Now get out.
Sir! Yes, Your Highness.
Make sure he crosses the border of our kingdom.
Move! Urge! Move! Get moving!
Monefe! The distance between the pregnant woman and the child is the stomach.
Now move!
The distance between the pregnant woman and the child is the stomach.
Move, I say! Thou shalt are grateful to the gods for keeping the elderly maids alive to remind the younger generation.
My people are suffering. Mama, yeah. Mama, yeah. Oh, Mama.
You have come this far, child of destiny. Monefe cannot be defeated, for his powers are from the dark. Take this egg.
An egg? How would this help me defeat Monefe?
Swallow it. With this egg, will you be able to defeat Monefe? For his time and his end is near. Now go. For his reign must end. Go. Go, child of destiny. Monefe, your end is close.
Who is crying?
I'm here with my purity. Most of our land. Why have you forsaken us?
The gods has heard your cry. I've been empowered to save this land. Now go back to your hut.
King Monefe.
Yes.
How dare you? How dare you enslave my father, the king? He is a king, a ruler. I beg of you, release my father.
I can see that you are the daughter of King Isa. Are you married?
No, I am not married. But as a princess, I remain pure until I'm given out in marriage in the presence of my father, Monefe.
Yes.
I beg of you, release my father.
Okay. On one condition. You have to marry me, then I shall release your father.
No, never, until you release my father.
Disrespect me. If I can have you as my wife, then you shall be my meal. Zulu.
Monefe! Don't try it! Zulu! Don't try it! I am a princess! Zulu! Monefe, you will regret your actions, I promise you! Monefe! Monefe!
Monefe! The father in the prison, the daughter at the king's bed. Soon I'll find one for myself. Go into that kingdom and take one for ourselves. We are coming to your kingdom to select one for myself. Oh, the king! King Monefe! Now, leave King Monefe!
Thank you for feeding Iruru. You are just so sweet.
As it stands now, we shall move into the neighboring community. Where no one will find us. Only the will strike. I will strike.
You're right.
I will strike.
You're right. We will never leave. You see our end. Keep moving. Move.
you are crying. I have brought you virgins. I am here to offer them to you. Take my embrace.
She's not a virgin.
What? She is a virgin.
No, she's not. You have defied me. I shall go back to where I came from.
No, Iruru. You can't do this to me. Huh?
Nothing.
I told you will meet your doom. Now your end has come.
Where are you going to? Go back! What are you doing here? You are not supposed to be here.
You are my forefather. Please, let me be here with you. I want to be here with you.
You have no right to cross this path. You are not yet dead. Your son Monefe thinks what he brought into the palace takes people's life, but that's not true. It only makes people unconscious for days and weeks. Now go back and arrange the palace. Until then, that is when you can come and be with me. Now go! Go!
His power has failed him. Monefe thinks he has an active water to help him there, but his power has failed him.
It is time, King Emmy. Follow me to the palace now.
Monefe, we are one. The child that says his mother will not sleep, that child will not sleep.
The rise and fall of the strongest. It is the end that justifies the means, not the beginning.
Yes.
rise and fall of his promised. Huh? So it is true.
Yes, it's true.
What I heard is true.
Yes.
Mad dog. How manage?
That's the way you say it.
You cannot wrestle with your God. You can't wrestle with the gods of this land. Welcome home, the queen of our kingdom. Welcome. The gods are wise. Our gods, they are wise. Welcome. Our gods are wise. Oh, Inyanga. Inyanga. Thank you. May the gods bless you for keeping our princess. The river does not flow back because a prince is born. Welcome, Your Majesty. Welcome, Your Majesty. Herein belongs Your Highness. Welcome home. No.
Your Highness. It's time for me to go back. My work here is done.
Thank you so much. You know I promised to fight along with you. Thank you.
May our ancestors grant you peaceful journey back to your clan.
I am sorry. I am sorry for everything that I've done. Please, forgive me.
Manefe,
Your Majesty.
you are my son. I have forgiven you. But you are no more the crown prince of this kingdom. And you are no more heir to the throne of this great kingdom.
Your Majesty, please, I need a favor from you.
And what favor is that?
Banish me. I do not wish to be here any longer. I cannot face our people after all the atrocities I have committed. Send me away. I want to go on an exile. Please.
Permission granted.
Supported.
Your Highness.
Manefe, do your wish.
May your gods be with you. Your Majesty, I shall take my leave.
Thank you, brother.
May your reign be long.
Welcome back, our king.
Thank you. Iyanga,
Your Majesty.
thank you for bringing back the princess. May the gods of her land bless you and protect you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
My minister, you have to go to Yaga's house and deliver the royal gift to her.
Long live Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
My queen,
Your Highness.
go inside and prepare something for me and the elders.
Yes, Your Highness. I beg to take my leave, Your King.
Thank you.
What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and after that lose his soul? Halema. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world?
I told you. He will fetch an ant-infested firewood. Invite lizards for a feast in his hut. Now look at you. Just look at you.
Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul.
You failed me.
Can you tell me what you gained? Because of the throne, you have to kill your people. You sold your soul to the devil. You wanna have the power over everybody. Now you have it. Can you tell me what you gained? Mama, mama, what manner of a prince are you? Oh, tell me. You are so wicked, so heartless. Oh, my people are suffering. Mama, yeah. Mama, yeah. Oh, mama.